Remove the metal protective cover. Take the accessories out of the accessories bag and install them on the front of the car, and install the screws in the holes. Secure the handlebars to the front of the car. Put the screw in the hole and tighten the screw. Put the screw in the hole and tighten the nut. Put the screw in the hole and tighten the screw. Put the rearview mirror into the hole. Turn the rearview mirror clockwise, and then turn the nut at the bottom. Insert the screw and put on the nut. Then tighten the screw. Open the side cover and find the yellow connector inside. Connect the two yellow connectors. Install the side cover. Install the pedal in a fixed position. Put screws in the holes and tighten.